That right there is the sound of a perfect pork chop. But if you're diabetic, that sizzle might sound more like a warning. Can I eat this? Will this ruin my levels? Well, today, we're putting those fears to rest with science. Here's what matters. 3 ounces of pork chop equals 0 carbs, 22 grams of high-quality protein, just 7 grams of mostly good fats. That's a diabetes-friendly macro profile if I've ever seen one. But, and this is crucial, that beautiful char? It's hiding a dirty secret called AGEs, advanced glycation end products. These form when meat burns, and they attack your insulin sensitivity. Here's your cheat sheet. Marinate with acid, lemon juice or vinegar cuts, AGEs in half. Cook low and slow, 325 degrees, Fahrenheit max. Pair with fiber buddies. Think asparagus or Brussels sprouts. So yes, diabetics absolutely can enjoy pork chops. Just remember, no charcoal crust. Your pancreas will thank you. Smart portions, 4 to 6 ounces is perfect. And always, always pair with fiber. Now go enjoy that pork chop, guilt-free. Want more diabetes-friendly food breakdowns? Hit subscribe and let me know what to cover next.